Hello students, today we discuss about the heart structure about the nodal tissues. Okay, here the nodal tissues. What are nodal tissues? A specialized cardiac musculature. Here nodal tissues means a specialized cardiac musculature. They are called as nodal tissues. Okay, these are nodal tissues. There are two types of nodal tissues. They are SAN and AVN. SAN. SAN means that is a sinoatrial node. Sinoatrial node. It is present at the right. Here it is the right atrium. It is the left atrium. Okay, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. Okay, here this SAN node that is present at the in the right atrium, at the right side of the atrium. Okay, means where it is situated, it is in right side of right atrium, in right atrium at right side, at right side. Okay, here it is open at the near the superior vena cava. It is already we know that superior vena cava, they collect the blood from all parts of the body, front parts, okay, head, neck and hands. Okay, here this it is open, SAN node is open near the opens near superior vena cava. Superior vena cava. Okay, and here is next AVN node. Where it is situated? AVN. It is called as atrioventricular node. Atrioventricular node means where it is situated. It is located at the between the atrioventricular septum. Okay, it is present in the, it is the septum. It is the atrioventricular septum. Near the atrioventricular septum, that AVN node is present. Okay, where it is located? At the right atrium, in right atrium, left corner of the left corner. Okay, it is located in the right atrium, left corner, near the coronary sinus. It is opens at the, it is opens at coronary sinus, near coronary sinus. What is coronary sinus? It take blood from the wall of the heart. Okay, it opens at the near the coronary sinus. It is the coronary sinus near this AVN node. Okay, means it is where it is located at the left corner, and here near the at atrioventricular septum. Okay, now about the SAN. What is the function of SAN? SAN, it can generate SAN, it can generate the action potential, means they can generate the action potential without any external stimuli. That is that's why it is called as a pacemaker. Okay, it can generate generate action potential. Action potential without any external stimuli, means no need of external stimuli. Without that they can give action potential. They can generate one action potential without external stimuli. Okay, it is, that's why it is also called as a pacemaker. What is the other name? Pacemaker. It is the pacemaker. Without this if SCN node is not works, the whole heart function will be not function. Okay, here AVN node, what is the function of AVN node? It is a function as relay. Okay, means here they send the action potential to the ventricles. Okay, function as a work as a relay station. Means from this the action potentials they are sent to the ventricles, two ventricles. So it is called as a relay station. Here in the between the here in this region, at the AVN region, that contain in the AVN region that contain some special fibers that are called as AVN bundles, or His bundles. These they are give more fibers and they send the fibers to these ventricles. Okay, means the fibers they form as many fibers, they are entered into these ventricles, left and right. They are called as Purkinje fibers. What are they? Purkinje fibers. Means here these are specialized tissues, group of tissues that are called as nodal tissues, that are SCN node and AVN node. SCN, where it is located? In the right atrium, right side, right corner of the right atrium, and it opens at the near the superior vena cava. And here AVN node, that is located in the right atrium near the left corner of the right atrium. Okay, it opens at the coronary sinus. Okay, here what is the function of the SCN node is it is generate the action potential. Okay, that's why it is called as without any external stimuli it will generate the action potential. So it is called as a pacemaker. Okay, SCN node is called as a pacemaker. And here from this the messages will goes to these AVN node. Means here these action potentials are goes to the AVN node. This AVN node, that function is work as a relay station. Means the messages, the action potentials are they send to the ventricles, right and left ventricles. Here in this region that contain the bundles, AVN bundles or His bundles. Here they are formed as many bundles, many fibers like this. They formed as they are called as Purkinje fibers. Means they help in the contraction and relaxation. Okay, these fibers with the help of these Purkinje fibers, the contraction and relaxation will occur. Okay, here SCN action is SCN node, they can generate the action potential 100 beats per minute. They can generate the 100 beats per minute, or action potential at action potential in 0.6 seconds. Okay, means the SAN node can generate the how many beats, 100 beats per minute, or action potential in 0.6 seconds. Okay, here they are nearly our heartbeat 70 to 80 times per minute. How many times? 70 to 80 times per minute. It is nearly approximately 72 times. Our heart beats 72 times per minute. About the aortic arches. Here we can see these arches. Okay. These are called pulmonary arch, and next it is a systemic arch or aorta. Okay. Here two arches are there. What are they? Pulmonary arch and systemic arch. Here pulmonary arch, that is arises from the here and here it is called as systemic or aorta. Systemic arch. Here in the pulmonary arch, it is arises from the right ventricle. It arises from right ventricle. Okay. Here it is called as a here it is the right, it arises from the right ventricle. It is called as a pulmonary, means it goes to arises from the right ventricle and goes to the left right and left lungs, right lung and left side lung. Okay. Here in this arch, here it contains the arch is guarded by pulmonary valve. Here in this region that contains the pulmonary valve. Here they are contain the pulmonary valve, and here in this the deoxygenated blood will transport. Deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Okay. Here from here the deoxygenated blood goes through this in this way. Okay, this way and in this way. Okay, and next here in the systemic arch, it is arises from the here it is the systemic arch. Okay, here it arises from left ventricle. Okay, it is arises from the left ventricle, and here it is guarded by aortic valves. Here it contains the semilunar, aortic valves. Here also they are pulmonary valves, they are semilunar. Okay, and next here this from this the oxygenated blood is goes through this aorta or systemic arch to the all parts of the body. Means it supply oxygenated blood to the all parts of the body. Okay, here means aortic arches are two types of arches are there. What are they? Pulmonary arch and systemic arch. Pulmonary arch, it is arises from the right ventricle. From the right ventricle it arises, and it is guarded by pulmonary walls. Here it contains the pulmonary walls. Okay, and here it goes for the oxygenation to the lungs, and here it transport the deoxygenated blood to the lungs for the oxygenation. Next, this systemic arch or aorta, that is arises from the left ventricle. It goes to the left side, and it supply the, it is this arch, this systemic arch is guarded by here that semilunar valves that are called aortic valves. Okay, here it is in this the oxygenated blood is supplied to the all parts of the body.